Hey, this is Ronald from MADBass&Keys University, and per sub request, I'm going to teach you today how to play the blues if you're a beginner bass player. I'm also going to teach you how to sing and play the blues. I'm using a very simple bass line here. I wrote this song for a friend of mine over 30 years ago who had an off and on girlfriend who sang in a rock and roll band. And sometimes she would disappear for 2 or 3 days and then pop up at 4 in the morning, things like that. Anyway, when she popped up at 4 in the morning, she was always Hurricane, not the little cute petite girl we knew when she was sober. So with that said, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. And without further ado, let's go. Just start playing the beat nice and slow, and if you can, start tapping your feet. Now if you had a metronome, that would be even better. Well, it's 4 a.m., baby, and you're just getting in. Just practice that. Well, it's 4 a.m., baby, and just try to find your voice, and you're just getting in. It's 4 a.m., sugar, and you're just getting in. Ain't seen you since last Tuesday, and you smell like cheap gin. So if I move that up to G, well, it's 4 a.m., baby, and you're just getting in. It's 4 a.m., baby, and you're just getting in. Ain't seen you since last Tuesday, and you smell like cheap gin.
you smell like cheap gin. Well, it was only last month you said that he was a friend, but then I caught you red-handed, baby, cheating on me again. Yeah, nobody likes baby. They say your morals are lean. Yeah, nobody likes baby. They say your morals are lean. Plus you don't tell the truth, and at times you're so mean. But I've been here so long, baby, watching you have affairs. Ah, you're doing me wrong, girl, and you don't even care. I'd rather have hard luck, woman blues, than no blues at all. No woman at all. Well, you stay out all night and you sleep all day. You know it ain't right, but don't care what I say. And when you wake up, baby, you eat all my food. Won't even make me a plate, but you make yourself two. Yeah, you don't wanna work, but you spend all my cash. Won't iron my shirt. You tell me, kiss my as you walk out the door, giving me the finger as you go. But I know the deal, girl, so I'll see you at 4. I'd rather have hard luck, woman blues, than no blues at all. No woman at all. Well, I know it sounds bad, but I swear it ain't true. Girl, I'm only sad when I don't see you. So do what you want, baby. Go ahead and have a ball, 'cause a hard luck woman beats no woman at all. Yeah, my friends tell me, they say, boy, use your head. That woman of yours, she'll forget you when you're dead.